Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best eye cream is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products on the market, promising to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, all common signs of aging around the delicate eye area. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your skin type and concerns? In this video, we'll explore the top contenders, examining their ingredients, effectiveness, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and achieve a more youthful, radiant look. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. It's a puffiness reducing eye cream. It leaves the under eye area looking hydrated and smooth with a non-greasy finish. This moisturizing cream contains hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and niacinamide to soothe. Its unique formula provides lasting hydration. Apply a small amount around your eyes, both morning and night. It absorbs quickly and can be worn under makeup. It's formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Ceramides make up 50% of the lipids in your skin barrier. It's been tested for use around the eye area and is accepted by the National Eczema Association. It's suitable for various skin types. What we like? It's a hydrating and lightweight eye cream, also ophthalmologist tested. If you have sensitive skin and want a fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula that won't interfere with your makeup, you should consider this one. It's perfect for daily use and provides long-lasting hydration without weighing down your skin. What people say. The combination of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and the marine botanical complex really works wonders. My under eye area looks brighter, smoother, and less swollen. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is a true hero when it comes to keeping my under eyes looking vibrant and well-rested. Its effectiveness in dealing with puffiness and dark circles has been a game-changer for me. It's fragrance-free, lightweight, and super gentle, which makes it perfect for the delicate under-eye area. I've had no stinging, redness, or breakouts since using it, which is honestly rare for me with eye products. After just a couple of weeks of daily use, my under-eye area feels more moisturized and smoother, and my concealer goes on way better now. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. This advanced eye cream is designed to target the delicate skin around your eyes. It's formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. It combines the power of retinol, a proven anti-aging ingredient, with hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. This combination helps to plump and rejuvenate the skin. This fragrance-free formula is gentle enough for daily use, even on sensitive skin. You'll see visible results quickly, making it a perfect addition to your skincare routine. Specifically formulated to address crow's feet, fine lines, and dark circles, it helps to brighten and even out your skin tone. It works to improve the overall appearance of the under eye area. It's the #1 retinol brand used by dermatologists, so you can trust it to deliver effective results. Experience the difference of a clinically proven formula. This cream is designed to hydrate and moisturize the delicate under eye area, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. It helps to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. What we like? This cream contains retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight wrinkles and dark circles. If you are looking for an anti-aging eye cream with proven results to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, this is a great option. It's suitable for daily use and is formulated without harsh chemicals, making it gentle on the delicate skin around your eyes. What people say. This is one of my top eye creams. I'm 54 and Ice tried lots. I like this one because it's very hydrating, helps keep my under eye moisturized, and I also see noticeable improvements after 3 weeks of use. Will repurchase. 65-year-old woman. Within a week I definitely noticed a difference in the puffiness and dark circles under my eyes. I used morning and night. This really works. I've used this eye cream before but stopped for a while to try out other products. After a while, it seemed the wrinkles around my eyes appeared more prominent. Switched back to Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream, and after just 1 tube, wrinkles have smoothened out again. Will definitely order this again. Number 3. Brickell Restoring Eye Cream. This men's eye cream is specially formulated to tackle common concerns like wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. It's designed to leave you feeling refreshed and looking your best. Whether you're 25 or 55, this cream is suitable for everyone. It's designed to revitalize your eye area, regardless of your skin type. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. You'll experience immediate hydration without any unwanted shine. This cream is packed with natural and organic ingredients like aloe, peptides, and caffeine, working together to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. Trusted by over 1 million men worldwide, Brickell is a leading brand in natural and organic men's skincare. We're committed to providing high-quality products you can trust. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us for a full refund. Try it risk-free. What we like? It's a natural and organic anti-aging eye balm for men that reduces puffiness and wrinkles. If you are a man looking for a natural solution to improve the appearance of your under area, this is a great choice. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, and is suitable for all skin types. What people say. The dark circles got lighter, the area under my eyes considerably less puffy, my skin is drastically softer, which my really likes, and the wrinkles that were already lessening in appearance from the retinol, smoothed out even more. The cream absorbs super quickly and doesn't leave a weird residue, which is nice. The dark coloring improved and the puffiness decreased, leaving my face looking better than ever. It absorbs quickly, a little goes a long ways, and it doesn't cause any pain for me. After consistent use, the puffiness around my eyes has reduced, and my skin feels firmer and smoother. What I really like is that it's unscented, making it easy to incorporate into my daily routine without any overpowering smells. Number 2. CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream. This CeraVe eye cream deeply hydrates the delicate skin around your eyes. It visibly smooths, firms, and brightens, helping to restore your skin's natural barrier and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It's a firming eye cream with caffeine to reduce puffiness. Peptides help diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, while niacinamide helps smooth the skin's texture. This peptide eye cream is fragrance-free, paraben-free, allergy-tested, and ophthalmologist-tested. It's also suitable for contact lens wearers. It contains 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2, that help maintain your skin's natural barrier. Ceramides are naturally found in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists, offering products suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. What we like? This is an anti-aging eye cream with peptides and caffeine to reduce puffiness and wrinkles. If you're looking for a product to target wrinkles and crow's feet while keeping your skin hydrated, this is a great option. It's ophthalmologist tested and suitable for sensitive skin, including contact lens wearers. What people say. It's easily spreadable on the skin and absorbs like a dream. It played well underneath a layer of sunscreen, no pilling or balling up and shedding. This absorbs quicker, moisturizes, and does not sting my eyes. This cream is a light to medium weight, which I love. Smooths into skin easily and my under eye feels nourished a long time. It has a pleasant feel and goes on smoothly, and I can convince myself I look a bit better and more awake on the mornings after I use it. The effects are not dramatic, but they are noticeable, and it feels highly nourishing on the skin. Number 1. 8 Saints All-in Eye Cream. This eye cream is designed to minimize the appearance of wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and leaves no greasy residue. Powerful hydrators in this cream smooth away wrinkles, while caffeine reduces dark circles and puffiness. It's suitable for all skin types. It features a blend of natural and organic ingredients like aloe, peptides, MSM, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and green tea. It's cruelty-free and fragrance-free. We've carefully selected 8 key ingredients known for their effectiveness in skincare. These ingredients deliver real results without the hype. It's made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. We believe in truth and clarity in skincare. Try it risk-free. We offer a 30-day return policy. If you're not satisfied, simply contact us for a refund. What we like? It's a natural and organic all-in-one eye cream that targets multiple concerns. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution to reduce puffiness, wrinkles, and dark circles, this is the one for you. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and is suitable for all skin types. What people say. It absorbs right in and doesn't leave it feeling sticky. My makeup was tending to get dry and cakey under my eyes, but since I've been using this cream it stays moisturized and I don't feel like I need to touch up my makeup as much. It has a creamy, almost whipped texture. It applies smoothly and absorbs nicely without being greasy. I use it in the morning and at bedtime, and I find that it keeps my eye area moisturized 24 hours a day without being heavy. It definitely helps keep my fine lines at bay, and I feel it brightens my eye area. Since incorporating it into my routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in puffiness and reduced fine lines. The texture feels lightweight yet very hydrating, absorbing quickly without any greasy residue. My under-eye area looks more refreshed and awake. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.